Explorer.exe crashed. 7 fixes. Let's go.
Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. This is the quickest fix. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and click Restart. The screen will flash briefly. Then your taskbar and desktop will reload. If Task Manager will not open, press Windows key plus R. Type Task MGR and press Enter.
Solution 2. Repair system files with SFC and DISM. Press Windows key plus R. Type CMD. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to run as administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. If corruption is found but SFC cannot fix it, run this DISM command. DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health. This downloads fresh system files from Windows Update. After both commands finish, restart your PC.
Solution 3. Clean reinstall your GPU driver. This is the most common fix if crashes happen after gaming. Press Windows key plus X and click Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, click Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver. Click Uninstall. Restart your PC. Then download the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website. For a thorough clean, use DDU, the display driver uninstaller, in safe mode.
Solution 4. Disable problematic shell extensions. Many apps inject themselves into Explorer.exe through shell extensions. These include Dropbox, antivirus software, WinRAR, and more. Download ShellXView from Nearsoft. Run it as administrator. Go to Options and click Hide All Microsoft Extensions. Now only third-party extensions are visible. Select all of them, right-click, and click Disable Items. Restart Explorer.exe. If the crash stops, re-enable them one by one to find the culprit.
Solution 5. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic. If you see the error, the memory could not be read, your RAM might be faulty. Press Windows key plus R, type MDCSEF, and press Enter. Click Restart now and check for problems. Your PC will restart into a blue screen diagnostic tool. The test takes 10 to 20 minutes. After it finishes, check the results in Event Viewer under Windows Logs, then System. If errors are found, try reseating your RAM sticks or test each stick individually.
Solution 6. Uninstall the problematic Windows update. If crashes started right after an update, this is likely the cause. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Windows Update, then click Update History. Scroll down to Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update and click Uninstall. For example, KB5074109 in January 2026 caused Explorer.exe crashes for many users. Microsoft addressed the issue in optional update KB5074105. After uninstalling, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved.
Solution 7. Disable automatic folder type discovery via Registry. This legacy feature scans every folder's contents before opening it, causing hangs. Press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to this path. H key. Current user, software, classes, local settings, software, Microsoft, Windows, Shell, bags, all folders, Shell. Right-click in the empty right pane. Select New, then String Value. Name it Folder Type. Double-click it and set the value to Not Specified. Restart Explorer.exe via Task Manager. Folders will now open faster.
What is Explorer.exe? It is the Windows shell process.
It renders your taskbar, start menu, desktop icons, and every File Explorer window. When it crashes, your entire desktop interface stops working. There are two main symptoms. First, the application error pop-up. A dialog says the instruction at a memory address referenced memory that could not be read. This usually happens during shutdown, reboot, or after closing a game. Second, the taskbar freeze. The taskbar becomes unresponsive. Clicks do nothing. The start menu will not open.
Here are 3 bonus tips. First, clear File Explorer history. Press Windows key plus R, type control folders, and press Enter. Under the Privacy section, click Clear. Second, change the default view to this PC instead of Quick Access. This reduces freezes caused by quick access scanning. Third, increase your virtual memory. Type sysdm.cpl in the Run dialog. Go to Advanced, Performance Settings, Advanced, and Change. Set a custom page file size, at least 1.5 times your RAM.
Let me help you choose the right fix. If your taskbar is frozen right now, start with Solution 1. Restart Explorer. If crashes happen after gaming, try Solution 3. Reinstall your GPU driver. If the error appears on shutdown, try Solution 2. Run SFC and DISM. If crashes started after a Windows update, use Solution 6. Uninstall the update. If right-clicking causes crashes, use Solution 4. Check shell extensions. If you see memory errors, use Solution 5. Test your RAM.
That covers all 7 solutions for the Explorer.exe crash and taskbar freeze. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.